All right, so I put a little post-it on the community tab, or whatever it's called over there on YouTube world, for you guys to share your jokes with us, and I will say them. So today's joke is brought to you by Angela Johnson. Thank you for this one. What is green but not very heavy? Light green. You're welcome.
have to grab my impact to tighten that one up. So it's a little warmer in here to explain the couple things I wanted to mention about those stairs. So that's the first time, I think it's the first time I've ever used, it's definitely on like the cabins we build or anything. Though it's the first time I've used like those steel stringers like that. I actually don't know if it's less work than just cutting your own stringers, because cutting the stringers doesn't take that long either. But having said that, the metal, I wanted to try them out because I saw them and I was like, oh, give those a try. They're kind of cool. They're super simple, but I just say they may be a little bit longer than cutting stringers, because with the stringers you can just nail your treads down, and these you had to do the pilot holes and then put the bolts through. But still, no big deal. So with that steel touching the ground the way it is, there'd be no issues with the bottom rotting out or anything. Treated wood holds up good too anyways, but I wanted to try it out with those steel stringers, and it worked out pretty good. Just took a little bit of pilot holing and stuff like that. As far as like installing the stringer, it takes 2 seconds to do that, or a couple minutes. Just putting lag bolts through the beam or whatever, or the rim joist, and that was pretty easy. It's just kind of putting the treads on. I pre-cut them, and then you just had to pre-drill everything. So that took a little bit of time. To throw treads on normal stringers, obviously you just nail them off. It goes pretty fast. Either way, I'm happy with them. And I may actually also use them in here with the loft, like a bigger version of them. I may or may not. I might cut stringers for it. I don't know. But the benefit of the steel ones, I kind of like the looks of them. That's one thing. The black metal looks cool. And in here, it actually would give me, I don't need as much meat. Like if I cut stringers, I need more meat on the wood. Where the metal ones, you have a lot, you have, another extra few inches to work with. And when it's a small place like this, every bit of space you can add on is a good thing. So we'll see when I get to those. You pay a bit more for the metal ones, obviously, but I like the look of the black, and then also gives you a little bit more space. So we'll see. Maybe I'll use them to do my stairs for, I'll still have to do a landing probably, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Anyways, also, I only had 2x8 treated wood, so I just put 2x8s on that. That should probably have 2x12s, like for an actual tread on the stairs. But I'm fine with the 2x8s. That's what I had, so I used treated 2x8s, threw them in, and there's you could also use a couple of 2x6s would also work on that. But again, they're just a temporary set of stairs, but I can reuse those stringers later, and I could reuse the stairs if I really didn't care. But for now, they work. They're better than climbing up a ladder. So even with 2x8s, it's still better than climbing up a ladder, and turned out pretty good. I had thrown a couple of pieces of cedar shims underneath because I couldn't seem to get dirt. It's all frozen to get it back under where I knocked it out. So I put a couple shims on, and now it's all leveled out. Anyways, that's way better, and I'm pretty happy with them. And like I said, I kind of like that steel going into the ground right now, and it'll hold up. So another thing accomplished, and I think that deserves a beer. Cheers. Yeah, it deserved that. That's good. So if you're looking for, an option for stringers, or an option for a set of stairs, quick option, or a different option, or whatever, that's the first time I think I've used those metal ones. I do believe, and they work pretty good. So try them out. If not, you see that you don't want to. So
them. They look good.
All right, so I had to see what she thought of these.
Yep, I approve.
Yeah. So it's obviously better than a ladder.
Yeah, that was, probably not the best idea for the entirety of the winter, a ladder. So
You're starting to get kind of sketchy.
yeah, this is definitely safer and like feels super sturdy. And I really like the look of the metal actually. Yeah. When he said that he was getting the metal, I just couldn't really even picture it until I see it on. And I like it. So
It works.
yeah. Now that those stairs are done, we're going to get back inside and we're going to start putting plastic and working on the next wall, probably that far back wall because there's no windows or anything. So that'll be a pretty easy one to get working at. And we can get the fire going in there and be warm so I'm not in my winter coat and like frozen as we do the wall. So that's good.
Today we're just going to continue to enjoy this fairly warm day.
Yeah,
For
exactly.
For December.
Yep.
See you later.
See ya.